And as you can see, using a combination of these 4 methods, you can expect to make around $200 per day. Hey guys, welcome to Money Mastery. In today's video, I'm going to show the top 4 fastest ways to make money online using the AI-powered tool ChatGPT. These methods take only a few minutes and cost $0 to start. So, let's get into it. First off, we'll start with script writing. Script writing is essentially the craft of writing scripts for professional media or video businesses. Though specifically, we're going to look into script writing for YouTube channels, since there has been a growing demand for script writers on YouTube. The sites we can use to gain customers are either Upwork or Fiverr, but for now, we'll just look at Upwork. As you can see, under script writing, people are listing their work for $50 to even $90 per hour. And if we scroll down, we can see scripts specifically for YouTube, and they vary anywhere from $25 per script to $60 per script. I would personally put pricing between the $20 to $50 range, but really you can do any amount that you think fits. Now I'm going to show you the step-by-step how to write scripts using ChatGPT. Let's say, for example, our customer wants to write a script about kangaroos. So I'm going to type in, write a script for a YouTube video about kangaroos, and press enter. Now once you have your script generated, as you could see, you could type in, make script more funny. Doing this will add jokes to your script and make the YouTube video more entertaining. Now you have a professional YouTube video script with humor that talks about kangaroos. Next is my favorite choice of these 4 methods, which is sales copy. It's similar to script writing, but instead, you're writing scripts about products for businesses. Usually sales copy is difficult and takes a lot of time to master, but with ChatGPT, it can make it a very simple process and provide quality that almost reaches the professionals. As you can see, they're charging $50 to $80 per hour. And if you scroll down, they're charging $30 to $95 per sales copy. Now if we go into ChatGPT, we can type in, make an email script for Nike shoes. And as you can see, it's generating a script for us. And as you can see, after the script is generated, you can edit the script yourself to clean it up, or you can ask ChatGPT to remove or add parts to the sales copy. This third method is very simple and pretty profitable. On Upwork, you can expect to make $50 to $90 writing resumes and cover letters per customer. The process in ChatGPT is very simple. You just type in whatever role the customer is trying to get. For example, if your customer wants to be a software engineer, you could type in, write a resume for a software engineer. And ChatGPT will give you a template. If you want the resume to be more specific, you can add tech keywords. And as you can see, it will add in tech keywords. The method that is last but not least is writing articles and blog posts. You can see here that professionals are charging $40 to even $150. And again, using ChatGPT makes this very simple. It's very similar to script writing, but instead you can say, write a 300-word blog about cats. Once the blog is generated, you can then type in, add keywords about cats. Doing this will use SEO to optimize the blog when users search online. That's all for today. Those are the top 4 methods to make money online with ChatGPT. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to see more videos like this, and I will see you guys next time.